We are back at the Town Mall here in Westminster. As you may or may not be able to tell, it's a bit windy, but the weather doesn't matter today, because today we are going to be indoors once again at Hera's Nightmare for their Halfway to Halloween Summer Screams event. This is our second time at Hera's Nightmare. The first time only about a month ago for their Easter event. I believe that was the Cursed Cottontail. And the cool thing about Hera's Nightmare, as we found out last time, is that no event will be held twice. Every time you go, completely different experience. So we're looking forward to seeing what's different since the last time we were here. That includes both the shop, which on its own should have some seasonal merch that's a little bit different, and the maze. 3 attractions, all part of the same ticket experience. Should we get out of this wind and go see what's different?
I would like that.
I would like that too. I'm Tim.
I'm Katie.
And we do things like this. This is pretty well covered on the Hera's Nightmare website, but I don't think I covered it in the last vlog. If you are trying to come specifically to Hera's Nightmare, make sure you park between Boscov's and Belk. This Town Mall entrance is where you're going to find Hera's. Parking lot looks busy now, but that's because we're quite early and the mall hasn't closed its other shops yet. If you come for a nighttime event at Hera's, this lot is gonna be a lot emptier. Aren't we just so special we get to come early? Let's see if we have anything on the Midway this time. Or oh, you having trouble there, sport? Wow.
I got a picture with this guy.
This is bigger than the last photo op spread that we had. Yeah, and this, I believe, and I might be corrected in just a few minutes, so don't quote me yet, but this was set up originally, constructed for Fright Reads, which was a Halfway to Halloween event in the spooky book community, and will have a full-scale event later this September, but has now found a permanent home on Hera's Midway. Good day, or maybe not so good. I'd see someone about that. We're a little early, so pop in the shop. See what's different.
I love this thing. And you're back.
I love it in here. We're back.
What did the jack-o'-lanterns say at happy hour?
The pillowcases are definitely new. These roses, they have like skulls on them.
Oh wait.
Oh yeah, skull roses. Skulls.
Aw, that's cool.
This is like the hot version of Bath and Body Works.
Oh, that's why it smells so good over here.
Yeah. And then we have the giant bug.
I love the
And
giant.
hoodies and stuff are right here. Taxidermy, like bugs, animals, there's bats, moths, bees, spiders.
Is this new or did I just miss it last time?
Don't remember.
I don't remember
You
seeing.
missed it. You probably missed it because they were over at the top.
Ah, okay.
This one's Jerry. This one's Bob.
All right, Jerry and Bob.
You heard it here.
You heard it here first. I do like all of these branded IP pins, but I also want to see a proper Hera's Nightmare logo pin.
Signed books of the house that held her. All of these are signed by
cool.
the author. A conjuring puzzle. 500 pieces.
Okay, there is some new stuff.
We have a bunch of posters of different people. We got the killers. We got a whole bunch of stuff. We have a whole bunch of people.
Behold,
And then we have
Eddie the Yeti. We may not have branded pins, but we do have branded shot glasses. So you know we're taking one home. I have been corrected. I am issuing an amendment. This thing is not sticking around. It is not permanent. It is going away after this event, which is just in keeping with Hera's and how things roll here. Like, if you miss an event, you have no idea what you're missing out on because they'll never do that event again. Some big props like this may not be here the next time you're here. So get here while you can.
We'll be so very disappointed if we miss you.
So you can tell that a lot of work has been done here. We're about to walk through all 3 attractions, question mark?
Yes.
To see what is kind of different and what has changed. And then you'll see what all this work was channeled into. Oof. Nope, you're good. That was on me. I don't watch where I'm going, and so I punish myself. Hopefully, if you are watching this video, you have seen our previous vlog from Hera's Nightmare, which was their Cursed Cottontail event, only a short month ago, but things were very different. So if you haven't seen that video, do yourselves a favor and circle back to that. Tonight, we're not gonna be covering absolutely every element of the haunt with this walkthrough. We're mostly gonna be focusing on the things that are different. Because, as we've mentioned, every time you come to a Hera's event, things are gonna be different. Nothing stays the same for long.
Carlos told us that all 3 attractions are actually kind of interwoven for this event.
Yes, all 3 attractions have a linear storyline, starting with Hexen Harvest, going into Sweet Tooth Factory, and ending with Rotten Aftertaste. And you will have to stay tuned to see how those things weave together.
Ooh, we love a lore.
There's a Diablo Easter egg in one of the other haunts.
Diablo Easter egg.
There is.
Oh no!
Foul odors are going to become
Wait a minute, hold on. We've got
I
whiskey.
wonder where that's going.
Whiskey's gonna be fine.
No, I think Rotting Decay.
Cotton candy is probably gonna be okay. Where's Rotten Decay? Baked bread? I don't
that's
mind
going
that.
to the bakery.
Rotten Decay?
This is bubblegum.
Is it like dentist bubble
does
gum?
smell like
Dentist
dentist
bubblegum.
Ah,
Yeah. No.
I like your cotton candy perfume better.
Hexen Harvest.
The town of Hexen Hollow. This is Hexen Harvest.
Okay, so Hexen Hollow is a town. It is a geographical location, and therefore we can do with it what we will.
Somebody got cheeky with the pumpkin. So you can start to see the inner workings of the storyline, the lore being woven together here, because the candy shop for the Harvest Festival comes from, you know, all the candies that you're gonna see come from the Sweet Tooth Factory. So, and that ties into the Midway, and that, you know, it's like everything kind of ties
We had
together.
been hearing that the overall theme of this event is the candy, and there may be a mayoral figure
Yes.
somewhere along the
Mayor
line.
Dale.
Mayor
Mayor Dale you will see in this attraction twice. We have 2 actors that are actually like really similar like builds, and they both have like bald heads and just like a little bit of facial hair. Like they're very similar. So we're like one of you in the beginning, one of you in the end. I had to make 2 matching costumes.
Wow. Just a reminder not to touch anything when you're coming through the haunt.
Yeah,
I'm
but you
not
had to show
touching
off
it.
Your manicure, so.
I'm not touching it. I'm just almost touching it.
So yeah. You don't like snakes.
I don't like snakes.
I thought maybe it was the rake. I don't know. At least it was a new screw, but new screws are very sharp. So I painted that sign too.
Our old hag has a fresh new sign
Yeah.
for pumpkin pies.
I now have a side
I
hustle.
like these radioactive pies over here.
Yeah, they were procured from a radioactive pie shop. Flipper's a new addition.
And there's like one of them soda thingies.
I know.
Like that's just like no.
That's what happens.
No.
Always clip your soda
Cut
rings.
your soda rings, people.
All right.
Okay.
Sweet Tooth Factory. Oh my God, that's strong. That just hit me full in the face. Sweet Tooth Factory. Oh, we did new printout.
And so here's the batch 13, which is a Easter egg that you'll hear later on when the sound is on.
Is this an actual recipe?
Yeah, I think so.
Pillsbury Snow Sheen Cake Flour.
Oh
no, I could see it. I could literally see it.
I could taste it.
These ones, I don't remember these ones.
Those are new. Little
that.
chiclets.
That's what they are. I'm like, I know that candy.
Yeah.
We're live.
This voice sounds eerily familiar. Ah.
But not the monster. Ooh, welcome to
Okay.
what used to be the barrel room. Except it still has a few barrels.
Wow.
And we have ceiling now.
Hey, I love a patchy ceiling.
New finale.
Ooh.
Go explore.
Oh, it's all different. Got this dude munched on some intestines.
He's a new prop. We like him a lot.
Watch for forklift traffic. Is there forklift traffic? Oh, great.
For haunt season, this is gonna have a really awesome, fun surprise.
Stay
so
tuned.
stay tuned.
Fun surprise coming.
Stay tuned. Fun surprise coming.
Okay. And then we're trapped.
I know. I was the only one here the last
It wasn't me.
It's clogged up. Oh, there's she said.
Well, mine's from that.
These here are a VIP lanyard that allows us to walk through the attraction with cameras, as well as the brand new Summer Screams ticket prints. These get punched as we go through the attractions. So after each attraction, they're gonna punch one of the 3 attractions listed here on the ticket, then we can loop around to the next one. One big linear experience, y'all.
We have all the best people from all the best places in one spot tonight to scare the crap out of everyone!
Guys, make sure you hydrate. There are a ton of cases of water over there. Take water with you. Please take the trash out of the hall when you're done. Cough drops as well. We have them if you need them. Go to the bathroom. As soon as we're done here, get to your spots. Anybody have any questions, come find me, Mike, or Carlos.
Everyone ready?
Yeah!
All right, to our spots! Thank you so much again! Thank you.
All right, fam, you heard them. The show is starting, so it's time for us to get to our place as well. Oh no! Oh no! Oh no, that's worse! Oh no! Oh, thank you! You have a sweet tooth. Oh, I do have a sweet tooth. I'm gonna love it here. Andy's shop. Ah, come on!
It smells like pumpkin spice.
I know, I love it. Oh, hi! Oh, me? Yes, we are!
Two, please.
Thank you very much. Oh, it smells lovely. I got caught on a fear flap. Oh no, I'm stuck on a fear flap. This always gets me somehow a little bit. Ah! Okay, come on, hi! Oh no! Ah! I got moo-moo cowed. There he is!
Real special.
I don't want it!
Get out!
Oh, it's tempting!
Just stay in place!
Whoa! Ah!
Very special bat.
Yo, really special, yeah! He's got good energy.
Whoa, whoa, hello.
Ah! 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 Oh no! Oh God! It's a little bit different.
Oh God. This is not good for my blind eye.
Oh! Ah!
Oh, Candy!
Candy!
I will take one.
Thank you! Oh, wow! Wow, to the festival!
Is it a circle as well? Yes, it is.
Yes.
It's boring. That's sad.
Beautiful! Alright, on to number 2. The Candy Factory. Ah! I'm here for the factory tour!
Don't make a special batch for you.
Oh, well, oh, with me? Oh, no! Huh?
Remember to taste the sweets because it will grow on you.
Okay.
Okay. You're running very late.
I'm sorry.
Y'all was supposed to be here 15 minutes ago.
I was indisposed by clowns.
Oh, that's unlikely.
Oh, look! They have there's this motion graphics.
Look at all the tubes.
Ah, yeah! Okay. It's making candy.
Making candy.
Try some, don't mind the screen.
Whoa, what's that?
Come on, Midway, settle down. Oh, wow.
That does look pretty good.
It does look pretty good. Whoa. Oh!
I've been hit.
Been hit. Okay, let's do it. Here we go. Oh, Diablo.
Oh, wow.
All right, back to the throne rooms.
Oh, get
Whoa, no.
out of the darkness.
Ah!
Oh.
It's the Scarecrow. Witches, man. Ah! Hi. What energy. Woo.
Oh, I love
I
these.
know, I love the Orbeez. Nosferatu.
Nosferatu.
He's stolen it. Oh, man. Oh! I forgot about him. Oh, God. Oh, Wolfie. Ah! Oh, no. Oh, no. Run. Run. Ah! The pumpkin lord. Ah! Oh, God.
The whole thing connects!
All right, so bearing in mind that thus far we only have 2 events to go by, right? The Cursed Cottontail and then the Summer Screams event, both very unique. Every single attraction has been revisited and revamped and given a new theme. I will say, of the 2 events, I think this one ties the overwhelming narrative together a little bit better.
Yes, we did get a little bit, you know, introduced to it before the beginning, but I thought it was pretty clear.
Yes, but we could have picked it up on our own.
Yes.
And I think that's what's important to the average guest.
And I, as a pumpkin Halloween fan, obviously love the pumpkin makeup.
Hexen Harvest
and
at the beginning,
yes.
yeah.
The pumpkins themselves, but the costumes that were in the last house, the Rotten Aftertaste.
Yeah.
Very, very
was
cool.
very, I did like the Pumpkin Lord at the very end too. That was a great
love
costume.
a pumpkin lord, so fantastic.
Once
Great job.
again, Hera's blows it out of the water. We're gonna take a quick break between run-throughs, which you won't even see, and then we will be back to do another run-through. So stand by for our second run. We'll see how they stack up the second time around.
Uh-oh. Here comes trouble.
Wah! Round 2! Always with you.
Spare parts.
Wait, where are you going?
I actually just ate.
Lucky number 13! I know. They said it'll change your life. Or maybe end it.
I hate this smell. I despise this odor.
Indulge yourself in the candy.
Yes.
Indulge.
Into number 2.
You're late! God, our tour begins here!
Now, don't forget your complimentary, sweetie.
Oh, sweetie.
Don't take candy from strangers. Run not to know better.
We should know better, but we didn't.
Would you like some candy?
Yes, please. I'll take it, sure.
Oh, we are. Just wait for this to see the thing is. It's got nothing shorter than stick.
Is it coming? Find out later. Oh, good. Okay, all right. All right. Oh, no. Oh, no. Nobody, no. Why? Jacob Marley.
Tied to the candy.
Wing factory. Unamas. Okay. Oh dear. Oh dear.
I got it. Potion. Nice.
I love the hair flip. So cool.
Tricked. Tricked.
Wow. Ah, jeez.
Tastes like candy.
Candy. Get out.
Hey, we got the mayors out now. Excellent.
I dare say our second run may even have been better than the first. This is only our second time coming to Hera's, but I'm starting to see why everyone thinks it's such a great haunt.
It is. It was so fun. Again, the theming was great. The acting was great. The team here is fantastic. And it was great to see a lot of friends here tonight too, enjoying it as well.
This is going to be the last event at Hera's prior to the fall season. Now, they haven't formally posted dates, but if we can go by last year as any sign, they will be open for most of October on Fridays and Saturdays. We'll see what this season looks like, but we are gonna make time to come out here, and you should too. This is such a great group of people, incredibly creative, and best of all, it's never the same twice. Until next time, guys, I've been Tim.
I'm Katie.
And every night
It's a new adventure.
and we'll spook you again soon. Bye.